1inch unveils cross-chain swap upgrade Fusion. DeFi Layer 2 Web3 this upgrade. Fusion follows a successful second quarter with notable growth in key metrics, reinforcing 1inch's position as a leading DEX aggregator. Last updated September 18, 2024 at 16:06 GMT3. Editor Veronika Rinecker. Editor Veronika Rinecker about author Veronika Rinecker is based in Germany, studied international journalism and media management. She specializes in politics and regulation, energy, blockchain, and fintech since she has been author profile share. Copied, last updated September 18th, 2024 at 16:06 GMT3 by Trust Cryptonews. With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews 1inch Network, a leading DEX aggregator for most EVM-based Layer 1 chains and Layer 2 rollups, has introduced Fusion, a new solution that simplifies cross-chain token swaps. Fusion allows users to seamlessly exchange assets across multiple blockchains while maintaining full control over their funds. Peer-to-peer marketplace for cross-chain swaps. 1inch Fusion offers users a decentralized self-custodial solution that taps into the vast liquidity of the Web3 ecosystem. This ensures users obtain the best possible rates for their cross-chain swaps, while mitigating the risks associated with centralized exchanges. Sexes. Fusion is more than just another cross-chain solution or bridge aggregation. We've created a peer-to-peer, peer-to-peer marketplace where it doesn't matter which network the liquidity is on, said 1inch in an X post from Sept. 18. As per the company's announcement, Fusion leverages atomic swap technology, guaranteeing that cross-chain swaps are all-or-nothing transactions. If a swap fails to complete, the assets are safely returned to the original owner. The entire process is governed by smart contracts, eliminating the need for intermediaries or mutual trust, a new standard for cross-chain swaps. 1inch Fusion is upgrade its predecessor, 1inch Fusion, that was launched in late 2022. In Fusion, users specify the minimum return they're willing to accept, and professional traders compete to execute the swap at the most favorable rate. A Dutch auction model is employed to determine pricing with Fusion. Swap filling rates decreasing over time based on volume and user-defined presets. To ensure optimal execution, Fusion incorporates a smart price curve that accounts for market liquidity and adjusts based on gas prices. Additionally, its intent-based architecture safeguards users from maximal extractable value (MEV) exploits. To enable greater efficiency in swaps, 1inch also released 1inch Fusion 2 in May. One of the key improvements in Fusion 2 is the removal of the settlement contract layer. By replacing this layer with a lightweight settlement extension, 1inch allowed users to interact directly with resolvers. This results in significantly better pricing, with token swaps up to 35% cheaper than those offered by the initial 1inch Fusion. 1inch Network flourishes in Q2 2024. According to Masari, the 1inch Network saw substantial growth in key metrics during second quarter 2024. Daily average total volume rose 12%, transactions increased by 59%, and active addresses grew 27%. This growth was primarily fueled by the successful deployment on Base. Furthermore, 1inch solidified its position as the leading DEX aggregator on Ethereum, maintaining a market share of 56%. In July 2024, the network also expanded beyond the EVM ecosystem, joining forces with Notcoin and signed to launch Triangle, an accelerator program dedicated to the Telegram and Ton ecosystem. Follow us on Google News.